Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Elevate your wiring projects with this all-in-one kit featuring 280 heat shrink connectors, an HS8327 crimping tool, and a handy wire stripper, perfect for those who value efficiency and precision. The crimper's precision-engineered jaws quickly and effortlessly secure various heat shrink connectors. Its unique indentation design firmly grasps wires without damaging the shell, and the color-coded red, blue, and yellow markings make tool selection a breeze. Built with a thickened ratchet mechanism, the tool automatically adjusts to the pressure needed for different connector sizes, guaranteeing a secure crimp and an easy release handle. The Star Wheel's adjustable crimp height further ensures the perfect amount of force is applied. Additionally, the 3-1 heat shrink connectors feature an adhesive lining that, when heated, releases hot melt adhesive to rapidly shrink and bond to the wire's insulation, creating a waterproof, wear-resistant environmental seal. This all-inclusive kit meets diverse wiring needs with precision and reliability. Step up your game with our state-of-the-art 21V brushless motor impact wrench, a true powerhouse delivering an impressive 740 feet-pounds of torque for any heavy-duty task. Our half-inch impact gun is equipped with a premium brushless motor that outperforms conventional brushed motors by operating spark and smoke-free, while boasting a lifespan 1.66 times longer. Coupled with a robust 4.0 amp-hour battery and a fast charger, you'll never worry about running out of power, doubling the runtime compared to a 2.0 amp-hour battery. In reverse mode, an automatic brake stop kicks in once a nut or bolt is loosened, reducing speed and torque to prevent accidental fly-offs. Easily adjust the central control button to switch rotation direction, and select from 3 speed modes in positive mode using a responsive trigger for precision work. A built-in LED light ensures you stay productive even in low light conditions. This impact wrench perfectly blends power, precision, and durability for all your demanding projects. Rev up your bike maintenance routine with this precision-engineered torque wrench. Set a game changer for cyclists who demand professional results. Designed with an adjustable torque range of 10.0 to 60.0 newmeters, it's perfect for high torque repairs, ensuring every component is installed with exact precision. Say goodbye to the risks of over or under tightening. The one-core drive design guarantees flawless accuracy, keeping your bike parts secure and perfectly aligned. Enjoy smooth, hassle-free operation with a spring-loaded adjustment mechanism that gives a satisfying click once the preset torque is reached. This comprehensive kit comes complete with versatile adapters and a 75mm extension bar, all neatly stored in a durable, protective case. Compact and portable, it's the essential tool to keep in your bike bag or toolbox for on-the-go repairs. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Introducing the Position right-angle screwdriver, a compact, innovative tool crafted to tackle those hard-to-reach spots with ease. At 3.97 inches long and just 0.34 inches thick, it slips into spaces where traditional screwdrivers simply can't. Its magnetic clasp holds any 1/4 inch drill bit securely, offering precision and stability throughout your projects. Searching for a thoughtful gift? Our mini ratchet screwdriver set features an intuitive reversible ratchet system that lets you switch effortlessly between tightening and loosening screws, speeding up your workflow and saving valuable time. Say goodbye to bulky toolboxes and hello to a sleek, efficient companion that's perfect for DIY home maintenance, auto repairs, and appliance fixes. The Position right-angle screwdriver set is an ideal, cool gift for every handyman in your life. Discover the ultimate blend of durability and innovation with our premium wristband, expertly crafted from 100% ballistic nylon. This isn't just another accessory, it's the perfect gift for that man who seems to have everything, yet appreciates the elegance of simplicity. Designed for a variety of lifestyles, it comes in 2 adjustable sizes, extra large and small, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit on any wrist. But there's more than meets the eye. Each band is ingeniously embedded with rare earth neodymium magnets, offering a unique twist to traditional wristbands while maintaining an ultra-durable, breathable, and sweat-free experience. Whether you're a homeowner, a dedicated DIY enthusiast, or a professional like an auto mechanic, electrician, carpenter, or HVAC technician, this wristband serves as your indispensable third hand. It's a versatile tool, perfect for tackling home improvement, auto repairs, and construction projects with ease and style. Step into a new era of demolition with this revolutionary all-in-one tool that streamlines your worksite and replaces a host of individual instruments. Designed for both seasoned professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this versatile powerhouse redefines efficiency. Its uniquely textured cross-hatched hammer makes it effortless to chisel or punch large openings in drywall, tile, plaster, and lath. Heavy-duty wood grabber jaws are engineered to securely grip, bend, and tear out stubborn 2x lumber, while an integrated pry bar simplifies the removal of boards, nail strips, molding, and more. Tackling nails is easier than ever, thanks to precisely designed closed, beveled nail pullers that extract nails smoothly, along with a magnetic nail holder that kickstarts nail placement with ease. Embrace a smarter, more efficient approach to demolition, with a tool built to handle every challenge on your job site. Revamp your workshop experience with this comprehensive 80-piece threading tool kit, meticulously designed for both seasoned professionals and dedicated DIY enthusiasts. This versatile set includes an impressive assortment of coarse and fine taps and dies, covering the 34 most essential standard and metric sizes, from the precise M4 to a robust 1/2 inch, and from M3 to M12. Each tool is crafted to exacting tolerances, with tap ends measuring between 1/5 and 2/5 inch, for effortless use with the included wrenches. Made from high-carbon chromium-bearing steel, these tools offer exceptional strength, durability, and longevity, empowering you to tackle any threading challenge with confidence. The kit also features protective gloves, both long and T-handle wrenches, a 1/8-inch flathead screwdriver, and thread pitch gauges help you carve perfect threads in wood, copper, aluminum, iron, or steel. Plus, separate sturdy storage cases keep the SAE and metric components neatly organized and easily portable wherever your projects take you. Looking for a smart way to uncover hidden moisture issues before they cause trouble? This innovative tool makes it a breeze. Start by inserting its sharp sensor pins into the wood's surface to reveal any concealed moisture irregularities. Whether you're dealing with hardwood or softwood, you can easily adjust the settings for an accurate relative moisture content reading. For the best results, push the pins deep into the material, ensuring full contact along their entire length this way. Even if a dry outer layer masks a wetter interior, the device will still capture the true moisture level. It reads up to about 12 millimeters deep, and with the handy hold function, you can freeze the current reading for later reference. Ideal for quickly checking if your firewood is ready to burn or assessing other wood projects, this tool is both efficient and affordable. Discover a game-changing tool that redefines your sanding experience. This dual-action Orbital Sander features a 360-degree rotating base plate that vibrates and spins, delivering a flawlessly smooth finish while boosting grinding efficiency by 30%. With a 6-speed adjustable dial, you can easily select the perfect setting for heavy sanding or gentle polishing. The kit includes 18 5-inch sanding discs available in 6 grits, from coarse to fine, ideal for stripping paint from wood, metal, or plastic. A hook and loop attachment with over 35,000 durable hooks ensures each disc stays securely in place. Enhanced with 8 vacuum holes and an efficient dust bag that promotes airflow and safeguards the motor, this compact, lightweight sander is wrapped in soft rubber to minimize vibration and reduce fatigue. Its premium pure copper motor, running up to 13,000 RPM at 2.5 amps, offers excellent heat resistance and cooling for reliable, long-lasting performance. perfect for any DIY enthusiast. Or a DIY enthusiast, this compact benchtop saw is a must-have for your workshop. Ideal for crafting intricate stained glass designs, building carbon or aluminum arrow shafts, or assembling mini models, it's engineered for precision in every cut. This versatile tool effortlessly slices through soft wood, plastic, aluminum, copper, and brass, handling wood up to half-inch thick, and 29-gauge metal tubes with ease. Its high-speed motor, spinning at 7,800 RPM, cleanly cuts AAC brass cases, light metals, and wood dowels so you can skip the sanding process. Portable and user-friendly, the saw features an adjustable miter gauge vise that makes achieving perfect miter cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees a breeze. Mini miter cut motor brush replacements, and a hex key, ensuring you're ready for every precise project. Revolutionize your workshop with the cutting-edge M1 caliber, a patent-pending, fully integrated measuring tool that clamps securely to nearly any saw fence. Its large, backlit LCD screen instantly displays precise measurements as materials slide under its innovative wheel. Designed with modern technology and efficiency in mind, the M1 caliber lets you measure and cut stock materials up to 3 times faster than traditional methods, eliminating the need for a tape measure and pencil. With support for both English and metric units, it's compatible with most miter, cutoff, chop, and vertical bandsaws, making miter, bevel, compound, and straight cuts on materials ranging from wood to composites and pipe a breeze. Simply clamp it onto your saw fence, release the arm, input your blade thickness, and start cutting with confidence. Ideal for professionals, contractors, and woodworkers, the M1 caliber delivers the most accurate readings on smooth surfaces every time.